Amen. Yeah, brother. Love you, man.
All right, good. How are you guys today?
I'm blessed beyond the measure of confusion.
Hey, yeah,
Just locked out.
yeah.
Locked herself out.
Could be a little bit better, but yeah, well, hopefully we'll try and get you in there.
Yeah, go to.
That's what I thought. So yeah, this one is going to be a higher security lock, so I actually can't pick this one to unfortunately drill. That's why I was asking you. Do you have any other? Do you have any other entrances?
Yeah. Yeah, the back door.
Oh, you have a bar or?
There's a latch.
Oh, there's a latch. Where? Okay, where's?
It's right here.
Ah.
Amen. Yeah, brother. Love you, man.
All right, we got it, bud.
So that was gone.
Yeah, it's done for. It's battery still. Yeah, most definitely. Sorry, it took a little bit longer. Actual lock cylinder. Yeah, but that's it. That's it. Yeah, let's go ahead and try. Okay, because this isn't quite so we'll tighten it up. No, that's not going anywhere anymore.
Okay,
It's solid. Yep, there you go. It's locked. Unlocked. So I'll try and get you an official receipt from the company. All right, you guys have a good rest of your night.